Welcome again. My name is Chris Belfry from belfrywellness.com, and today's health tip is really about drinking water. How much water should I drink? We've already talked about the number one thing our body needs, and that was breathing. So a lot of people have commented that they have been practicing their breathing. Today's number two most important thing, or the second most important thing in the body, is water. And that's a very common question. I have a lot of clients that come in and that are fairly dehydrated, meaning they're not drinking enough water. And one thing is that people that are typically thirsty, when we have that feeling of thirst, that typically is that early sign of dehydration. So it's already kind of too late. So if you're thirsty, you need to drink more. And the idea is not to drink it like pound back the water on a hot day. It's to drink that water slowly throughout the day. If you drink it fast, it's going to just go through you and you end up going to have to pee. Another thing is we're going to talk about is when to drink water. We're going to talk about obviously hot weather and winter. A lot of times people don't drink water in the cold season, so it's been a cold spring. So it's still mindful. We need to be mindful to drink water. Typically, most people will say they drink about maybe 2 bottles of water, so that's about 1 liter of water a day. And on average, people drink within their food. They get about 1,000 milliliters. We have 1,200 mils in fluids, so it's water, pop, coffee, whatever we drink, juice. Metabolism is 350 mils, so our body generates through our metabolism 350 mils. So sorry, for a total of 2,550 mils. So that's what we most typically we put in. Okay, that's just on a sedentary individual with little to no exercise. A normal output on those individuals would be 1250 mils, 100 in feces, 850 through your skin. So even if you're not, you're sedentary, you still have sweat that's happening under your arms and through your skin. So you are expelling that much water. And through our lungs, 350 mils. So on a cold day, we know we breathe out water. When we breathe out, we can see our breath. And that's just some of the water particles that we're expelling. So on a whole, we expel, on a normal sedentary individual, 2,550 mils. So in order to put that in, this is what you need, right? Remember, 1,000 and 1,200. So that's a typical person. So that's at least 2 bottles of water. It's more than 2 bottles, just over 2 bottles, or over 1 liter of water every day. That's if you're really doing no exercise. But if you're doing any kind of moderate exercise, you need more. Light exercise, you need more. If you exercise heavy, obviously you need more. If you live in a higher climate, you need more. If it's a hot temperature, you're going to need more. So we can look at maybe the opposite in hot weather or at heavy exercise. In heavy exercise, your body will start to conserve water, so you need about 500 mils, or you'll expel 500 mils. Still the 100 through feces, 5,000 through sweat, right? So you're sweating a lot more when you're exercising or in hot weather. And through your lungs, you're going to breathe 750 mils, which totals 6,300 300 mils. So it's over 6 liters a day you're expelling if you are under those conditions. And so really that's a lot of water to take in. So some of it's in food again, and so that could be like your lettuces, and celery has fluid. Soups, obviously things with water in them are fluid. And so the rest should be coming from water. So if you have some sort of, if you're light or moderate activity, obviously more. So I recommend people should be drinking about 2 liters of water a day on average. Unless you're, have a higher exercise routine, then you're going to need more. And I say of those 2 liters, I say up to 2.5 liters, but 2,000 milliliters would be a good start, or 2 liters of water a day. And what you want to do is 70% of that should be water. So the other 30% could be your coffee, or people ask about beer or juice or whatever else. But the 70% you want to be water, because your water, that's the best for your body to transform. And it's pretty simple. So you want to be starting to drink more water, and have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, Let me know. I know someone had drank too much water at a contest, but a lot has to do with obviously kidney problems in the first place, or some other kind of functional problem. If you have some sort of functional problem, obviously you want to consult your doctor. But in a normal, typical person, 2 liters to 2.5 liters a day is most ideal. Anyways, take care. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Bye for now.